गुरुभ्यो नमः अस्मत् सर्वगुरुभ्यो नमः अस्मत् परमगुरुभ्यो नमः श्रीमते श्री लक्ष्मी नरसिंह परब्रह्मणे नमः यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुग्म व्यामोहदस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि. Audience Bhagyam today to discuss remotely for the Detroit Sri Balaji Temple and the Uttama Bhagavadas there. We have enjoyed many lectures in the past physically face to face, but due to the prevailing situation, today we are doing it remotely. We'll do in the next 90 minutes or so or less, and whatever we cannot do, we can continue in the next class on the Sri Bhashyam and conclude on that. Today's topic is fear and faith. Again, we'll discuss in 4 different subtopics. 1, what is fear? What is faith? Why are we so afraid of the fear? What is the process? Second one, what is our Upanishads and Vedas and Shastras are telling about the fear and faith? Third one, Idihasha, Purana, Alvar's advice on this one. Fourth one, Acharya's instruction on the fear and faith and what we could and what we should do. These are the 4 topics today we will be talking. The first one is what is fear and faith, the process. In our Hindu philosophy, we call Navarasa, 9 different emotions one may face in their life. Many times we have different kinds of feelings, anywhere from Shringara, Hasya, Karuna, Raudra, Veera, all those things. In that one, we are looking at the Bhayankara. Bhayankara means a terror, fear, frightening, daunting. So emotions that we humans always exhibit in our life. We are not robots. We are not machines. And to be static to any situation. That is why it is very lively. Life is very lively because we are having emotions, but equally throbbing because of the problems also. When we hear a wedding, a baby is born, we are very happy, natural. When we hear about a death and a disease, we are very sad. And something like this virus, what we face, we are worried, we are scared, afraid, and we get sometimes panic. Not everyone is like a Gibraltar rock. The emotional quotient for each person is so different. Some may be afraid very quickly, some may be very strong. But no one is void of the emotion. Even sannyasis, those who have renounced everything, have emotions. The question here is, how do we handle them and how we solve them? The Bhayankara, Bhidi, these are all Paryaya Padam, alternatively used. Dreaded, fear, apprehension, scare, trepidation, danger, alarm, horror, anxiety, frightening, panic. You can keep on telling. All these are very equivalent things that when we are afraid. In Tamil, it is called Acham. Sometimes the fear is not bad. For example, the feminine qualities when they say Acham, Madam, Nanam, Paipu in Tamil. That is fear, hesitation, shyness, and alertness. For good things we can worry. And the afraid is not a problem at all. That will keep your eyes and mind focused. For example, today we had it. So we get little worried, how do you connect in this Zoom? And that fear comes over there because you want to do a good karyam in a nice way without delaying. Make sure all the Bhagavatas said they are going to be pleased. That is what you want to do. So the natural thing, worries and anxiety becomes a bhayam is always possible. For good thing, it has to be. Otherwise, you would be aloof. Bhagavata Kainkariam has to happen correctly. So worry for that fear is always correct. So let us analyze how do we get this worry and fear based on three conditions. One, we love something very much. That is the starting point. Your connection to that person or that thing is so high. Second one, there is a danger to that loving thing. It may be real or it may be imaginary. Third one, as such, we don't have no power to avoid or alter the situation. These are the basic three things that makes you. Let's take the first one. Example, let's make an analogy. We love our body. Everyone loves their sariram. Suddenly, let us say, one day your nose gets clogged up. Breathing becomes very difficult. So you start worrying. What is the reason why it is happening like that? It may be allergy, flu, virus, COVID-19. We don't know. That worry may be quenched very quickly, immediately. You take a couple of Tylenol and it goes away. Sometimes you take the Tylenol, it does not go. So you don't know the solution, how to solve this one by yourself or people surrounding you. So the three steps we have talked so far: love, danger, incapacity or inability. So what do? You cannot do, so you go to the doctor. How do you remove the fear? You need an external help, maybe a doctor or an emergency room. So when you go to the doctor, you have a trust, you have a faith, you have a confidence on that external person. You believe that having a conviction that he will cure. So the three things, whatever said, drove you to the fear becomes the faith that to be cured for you. Love, danger, and inability now created the faith. The problem is love, danger, inability that is equal to fear. And the solution is faith. Initially, the faith may be a mental attitude, manda vishwasham. After a few experiences, the trust increases more. We have seen in the real life also. People say, why don't you go to that real estate agent? She's very, very good. All the time she sells very quickly for a higher price. I have seen so many cases. See, the past experiences tells you, so that's why your confidence becomes more. Same thing with Bhagavan also. Manda Vishwasham will become Maha Vishwasham. So what do you start doing? You do 48 Pradakshinam in the temple, light up the lamp, recite slogas, prostrate to the Acharya. So you keep on doing it several times and you see the palan. So the confidence, the trust, the conviction becomes more. So the fear and the faith that has to be, we've seen so many times in our life, it has to be based on our experience. So we are all in samsara. We love our body, family, home, car, etc. The danger, many times it happens. Your son is not studying well, daughter is not getting married, manager does not give promotion. So inability, there are a lot of times you cannot solve this problem. So first thing you have to ask when you are having a problem, the bhayam, fear, is it justifiable? So that is the first thing we have to ask for. Let us lift ourselves and see, these are the simple things in our life. On the other hand, we are going through several birth and death cycle, and the love, danger, and inability creates a faith entirely from a different angle. So when I say love, danger, inability, so you love your body, you love your son, you love your car. So you go and pray for the Bhagavan, it can cure. On the other hand, Bhagavan can make the car and you does not have any relation. They may break that relation, make you to give you the jnanam for you. So many times we are afraid of lot of things, may not be it is justifiable. If it is justifiable, only thing what is justifiable is why I am getting birth again and again and again. Is there any solution for that one? We think that life, so many things are happening. If you solve this one, tomorrow we get back into something else. So rectifying the situation, go back to the same thing. That is the pravritti dharma. Or disconnect your love, and then there is nothing connected to you, all of them, and you go into the moksham, that is the nivritti dharma. So you can go for the Bhagavan two things when you are having a bhayam, when you have the faith, you can ask him, can you repair this one? So you'll be keep on fish in the boat. Or Bhagavan, give me the jnanam so that I can handle all of them. That is the nivritti dharma. So that is basically the process that is happening. Now let's go and see one by one. Second subtopic, what the Vedas tell about fear and faith. Bhayat asya agnistabadi, bhayat tabadi suryaha, bhayat indrasya vayasya mrityur dhavadi panjamaha. Kathopanishad says that one. Through the fear of him, who is that one? Brahman, the final God, Paramatma. They are all afraid. Who are all afraid? Fire. Agni is afraid, it burns. Sun is afraid, it is shining. And Indra, Vayu, and Death, Yaman, all of them afraid of that. Why did it tells in the Veda, Upanishad this one? Because when we do Sandhyavandanam, when we do Yagam, Yagyam, all other things, we are all praising the demigods. But when you look at this one, these demigods are only intermediary. They are not the final God. So they are afraid of somebody. They are not the Karanam, but they are Karyam. So Karanam to Dheyaha, as Upanishad says, we want to go to the topmost one and we want to pray to him. Why these people have to be scared of Bhagavan? They are all, after all, devas, they have power and everything. Usually Bhagavan is described as a love, affection, sweet, soft, compassionate. But why is he so tough on all of them? Why is he giving the bhayam? Why is doing all these things? When you are asking, in life, we have to look at the other side. There is some evil, outrage, brutality, cruelty exists there. These are the karma phalan for some people. Why they are doing bad things? Because they are enduring their karma phalan. So for the rest of us not to go into that area, for rest of us to be protected, not to go into the adharmam, Bhagavan does a lot of things. Sadhu paritranam. We say that sashta paripalanam, dushta nigraham. Bhagavan does all of them to protect the innocent and to destroy the evils. Evils, don't think that evils means outside people. Our own feelings. Hari Shadvargam, Sora Mari, Kama, Krodha, Loba, Mada, Matsarya, all those kinds of things. Same thing like what Kathopanishad says, Taittiriyopanishad also says, not only one. Bhishasmat Vadaham, Bhavade Bhisho Dedi Suryaham, Bhishasmat Agnischa Indrascha Mrityurdhavadi Panchamayidi. Same thing. All the Panchabhudam, based on our body has created, they are all coming from Prakriti. In Sri Bhashyam, we saw that one, Agasam, Agni, everything is a Karyam. That's all created by the Bhagavan. All of them are afraid. In Kathopanishad, the Nachiketas goes to Yamadharmaraja. Yamadharmaraja is giving the Brahma Vidya, Nachiketas Vidya. There he says, never be afraid of death. He says, death will kill you only once. The scare of the death will kill you 1,000,000 times. So that is the first thing Nachiketas is explaining that. Okay, if I have to be not afraid of death or anything lower, sickness or anything, what should I do? One, as I told first, justify the fear is real. Is it warranted? Do you really need that loving thing? It started with the love. Do you really need that one? So if your fear is justified, then we take the action. Otherwise, we ignore. When you go to the doctor and you say, these are the things happening, and our doctor says, sir, there's nothing wrong with you. It's all psychological. Go back home. Same thing we have to tell ourselves. When you have a fear, ask yourself, is it really justifiable? So for both, whether it's a justifiable one or unjustifiable one, we have to have a faith on the Bhagavan, the Lord Supreme, that He will take care of that one. Just like a baby, when it gets scared, goes and asks, Mommy, Mommy. Same thing. We go to the Bhagavan and say, Bhagavan, please take care of us and everything. So why Bhagavan does all these things? When you ask, in the Kadopaniषad, there is one line before it says, Mahad Bhayam Vajram Udyadam Ya Edad Viduhu Amurdha Te Bhavanti. Bhagavan on the Vajrayudam is lifting that one, is going to hit you so hard. He's doing like that. Why Bhagavan is so powerful doing like that? Na? For you not to do anything wrong. Not to do anything adharmam. This is told in the Kadopaniषad. Later on, we'll mention this one. This is exactly the same line is taken by Swami Desikan in Abhidhistava. So, Bhagavan takes the Vajrayudam. Why? Because you should not do anything away from the Shastra. What is Shastram? Next question. Sasanacha Shastram. We saw in the Sri Bhashyam class. Sasanacha Shastra means Shastram commands you. These are the rules. You have to follow them. Shruti Smriti Mamai Bhakya Yastam Ullangya Vattare Agyachedi Mamadrogi Mat Bhaktovi Na Vaishnavaha. He says, Bhagavan gives the Shastra as a rule book. Following the Shastram is Dharma. For the society to work smoothly, coherently, helpfully, we need to follow the rules. Very similar to IRS tax you have to pay. Follow the road signs when you go. Traffic rules you have to follow. Similar to that one, Bhagavan has made the Shastras like that one. Trespassing them, same thing like police catches you, Bhagavan punishes you also here. Bhagavan gives the fear, scare, bhayam. Why he does that one? So that we follow the Shastras correctly. Sampradayam, Anushtanam, Vairagyam, all of them we want to follow. That is why he wants us to turn to be good people. There is one place in also says, Yadha Swalpam Adharmam Hi Janayet Tu Mahabhayam. Swalpam Abhyasya Dharmasya Drayade Magado Bhayat. Chinnada, small adharma manalum, Bhagavan gives you huge fear. On the other hand, even a small dharmam you do, great fear Bhagavan removes that one. So again, all these things are saying, go in the right path. Okay. So remember in Veda that dictates Satyam Vada, Dharmam Chara. What does it say? Go back to our model. Love, danger, inability. That takes you to the faith. The love has to be justified. So you cannot go improper love. The danger has to be justified. And then the next one is basically your inability has to be justified. You cannot keep the money with you and ask somebody. Okay. So that is the third one. Another one in the Veda, we try to interpret here, Asodoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amurdam Kamaya. It says, Asodoma Sadgamaya means lead me from Asat to Sat. Sat means what? Existing. Sat means Brahman. Sadvidya Prakaranam in Chandogya Upanishad it says, Sadeva Somyedamagrahasit Egamevat Vidhiyam. Sat, that is what? Sat is the Brahman. Sat is the final God. Sat is the Paramatma. So, Asadoma Sadgamaya means we are going into all of them, all the Nirishwaravadam. There is no God and everything. There is nobody above me and everything. All these things give away and go and believe in the Bhagavan. That is one Tattvam it is telling you. Understanding who are you and who is Bhagavan, what is the relation. Second one, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Lead me from darkness to light. Darkness is Ajnanam, light is Jnanam. take me out of ajnanam and put me into the jnanam. So when you get the jnanam, how do we execute that one? That basically talks about the ubhayam part, hidam. Mrityoma amridam gamaya. Take me from death, give me immortality. Take me from samsaram, give me the moksham. That is the purushartham. So these three lines, asodoma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityoma namridam gamaya, tells the Sri Vaishnava principle at the bottom, tattva hida purushartham. Okay. So when we see that one, we look at the Bhagavan. Bhagavan has got abhaya hastam, abhayam. Bhayam, opposite of that one, removal of that. So abhaya hastam is fingers are pointing upwards. It is assuring the bhakta freedom from fear. Don't be afraid. I give you protection. I am the Rakshakan. There is another one Bhagavan shows, Varada hastam. It is having that one for the fingers are pointing to his lotus feet. He says that one, don't worry. Look at my feet and hold on to that one as the refuge. So in all the Vedas and everything, what we really understand, there is only one final God. All the intermediary, even though they take, this is almost like a postman. Postman takes your letter, they check what you put for IRS. He's not going to put in his pocket. It has to go to the final department. Same way, all these people, the Indra, Chandra, Vayu, Varunan, and everybody, they go and give all these things to Bhagavan Sriman Narayana. So this is what the Upanishad says. Now let's go to the next level. Idihasa, Purana, Alvar, Divya Prabandham. What do they talk? Okay. First, we take it from Srimad Valmiki Ramayana. Everybody knows the Vibhishana Sharanagati. Tektva putram chataram cha ragavam sharanam gadaha nivedayamam kshipram ragavaya mahatmane sarvaloga sharanyaya Vibhishanam Ubastidam. Beautiful sloga, Ramayana. He says, Tektva putram cha daram cha ragavam sharanam gadaha. I've given up everything. Lift my hand. No wife, no kids, no wealth, nothing. I'm doing surrender to Lord Rama here. Nivedayamam Shibram. Please go fast. All those people who are waiting outside, tell your boss inside, Paramatma, Raghavaya Mahatma. So go and tell him, Sarvaloka Sharanyaya. Sarvaloka, he is the only one who can give protection to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Vibhishanam Ubastidam. This Vibhishana has come. Please go and tell him. Very beautifully, Vibhishana Sharanagari has got the Angam and Angi, everything. He's doing all of them Sharanagari. Why? Because I don't want to be with the demons. I want to get away from that. He's doing adharmam. I don't want to be an accomplice. Even though I tried to stay this long to give them a good advice, it didn't work out. So what Bhagavan Rama said. So in that one, Sagadeva Prabhannaya Tavasvi Idi Chayachade Abhayam Sarva Bhudebhyo Dadamye Tatpradam Mama Sakrit Eva. Only once. Prabhannaya, doing the Sharanagati. Tavasmi Idi Chayachade. I belong to you. Na Mama. I, me, mine, nothing is there. All of them is yours. Anyone who seeks the refuge in me, that's what Bhagavan, Lord Rama is saying, just once telling, I am yours. That means your body, your Atma, everything belongs to the Bhagavan. I give him assurance, safety against all types of beings. Abhayam sarva bhudebhyo dadani edati vridam mama. This is my pradignya. This is my pledge. That is the Ramayana sloga. We have Tapatrayam, Dukkhatrayam, basically Bhayatrayam also. What is that one? Adhyatmika, Adi Baudiga, Adi Daiviga. It comes in the Shanagadigatyam also. Atyatmiga. Atyatmiga means bodily and mental pain. Sufferings comes from what? Because why do you have mental pain? Only when you are attached with something. When you are attached with the things, or attached with the people or the place. Our association with the people, work, society and everything, that causes our interaction with others creates this one. That is why safe distance now. Okay. Adi Baudiga, pertaining to all the Buddhas, living things. Pest, mosquito, fly, virus, bacteria, pathogen, people, all of them is Adi Baudiga comes there. So dogs, cats, jealousy people, everything. This is the material existence. We have to live. Okay. We cannot shed this body. So how do you cope up with this one? Now the virus has come, but it's a huge struggle. Adi Baudiga, because it's created by all these kinds of things. Next one is Adi Deviga. Adi Deviga means unforeseen forces, like thunder, all those kinds of things. This is also one of them, unforeseen kind of a thing. So when you look at this one, sufferings caused by all the three, what is the solution? The solution is faith on the Bhagavan, understanding, knowing the glories of the Lord. That is why we have all the Ramayana, Mahabharata, Purana. Oh, Bhagavan has saved so many people from so many things. He will save me too. So you had to have unshakable faith. So the Mandaviswasam slowly had to increase to Mahaviswasam. So Bhagavan is like a rain cloud. When rain pours, it pours to everybody. It does not see rich or poor. So when the virus attacks, it attacks everybody. When the solution comes, it's for everybody also. The only solution what we can do is to pray to the Bhagavan, please take care of everyone. So that is what they principally understand. So now from Ramayana, we go to the Mahabharata. The Mahabharata, what we are having, the Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, amazing one. Many times whenever we have a problem, we recite this one. Bhaya, Bidi comes in many places. If you didn't notice, we will look at some of them now. Sahasrachi Sapta Jikva Sapta Ida Sapta Vahanaha Amutiranaha Chintyo Bhayagrit Bhayanashanaha 89th sloka. Okay. Bhayakrit Bhayanashanaha. Bhayakrit means he creates the fear. Bhayanashanaha, he destroys that one. The root word for that one is B-H-I-B. To fear, to be anxious. Bhayakrit means Bhayam Karodi Idi Bhayakriti. He is the one who creates that one. Okay. So Bhayam Krinnadi Bhayakriti. Bhayate Idukbavan. The one who destroys the Bhayam also is. I will understand Bhagavan destroys the Bhayam. But why should he give the Bhayam? That is what we just saw. Everybody has to do their job correctly. Sun God in the morning is so afraid. I have to start at 6:03. Bhagavan has given. I have to start. I cannot go anything late. You know how many things we do late? If sun starts doing late, if the moon starts doing late, if all these things, the planets moving late, what would happen? So these are the examples why Upanishad give because such as celestials, they are afraid. And who are we? So we have to follow the dharmam correctly. So Bhagavan destroys the fear. We know that one. Why he gives the fear? Because to create a fear, you follow the Shastra. Just like IRS, if you don't pay that one, you'll be fined. You'll be jailed. Same thing, Bhagavan create. Don't trespass the Shastras or Dharma. Violate his command. Even in Mahabharata, there's one place he says, Krishna, we see so nice and so Saulabhyam, Vatsalyam and everything. Bhaya Bhayankaraha Krishnaha Sarvaloge Swara Prabhu Krishna Bhayangaram. That is what the word has used. Why? Because if you break the rules, Krishna is not going to be friend to you. That is what it says. Don't violate his commands. So he creates and destroys the fear. creates the fear in the bad people, destroy the fear in the good people. Same thing Alvar takes very nicely. Thiruvaimozhi 6-3-8, you go there. Vancharan Shurarkai Ashurarki Venkutramumai. For Devas, for the celestials, he is the indestructive refuge. Nobody can remove him. He is the final. Only on weekends he will work. Only on daytime he will work. Only up to 60 he will work. No. All the time, Bhagavan is only refuge for you. Ashurarke Vemkutramumai. For Asuras, he is going to be the death, like a mrit. So he is going to Mritya Mari, he is going to be like that one. Yen Charan, Yen Kannan, Yen Nai Alodayappan, whatever Devas doing, whatever Asuras doing, what is he doing for me? Yen Charan, my salvation, my refuge, he is the shelter, he is the protector, he is the Rakshakan. Yen Kannan. Kannan is Videyan. Kannan is my servant. Videyan. Adeya, Videya, Garuda Dandagacha. Why Kannan is a servant? Because if you have a bhakti and pray to him, he is bound to satisfy your request. Okay? And he is very useful. Yennai Aludayappa. Adutha word. Even though I say like that one, he is always my boss. Yennai Aludayappan. So, Mahobhagaran, that is what he says. And then the next, for the next question, he says, Yellayel Mayanai Kannanai Talpatri Yan or Dukkam Yelane. Yan or Dukkam Yelane. Me, I don't have not even an iota of despair, iota of fear, scare. Why? Yellayil Mayanai. Krishna, who is that one? Is a Mayanai. He is doing the Asrida Seshtirangal. Superhuman things he will be doing. At the same time, Kannanai, Paratvam, Saulabhyam. And then he says, Tal Patri, hold on to the lotus feet of the Krishna and he will remove. You will not have even an iota of the scare of that. Bhayam is the problem. Bhagavan's lotus feet is the solution. And you need the faith to hold that one, to get that solution. Go to the Sahasranamam. Next one. Akurur Apesalo Daksho Dakshina Chaminam Varaha Vidbadamo Vidabaya Punya Shravanakirtanaha. 98. Vidabayaha. Vidabayaha means he is the one who is not afraid, fearless, undaunted. Let us say you need $1,000. You go to somebody and ask, Swami, I need $1,000 to do something. Ayo, I'm looking for $100. Nobody's giving. Abdina, can you go and get money from him? So when you are afraid, you have to go to the person who is never afraid. So that is what it says. Vidabayaha. Why Vidabayaha is used here? Because of Gajendra Moksham. Narayana O Manivanna Varai Enaridai Nikai. Gajendra is crying. Why Gajendra was crying? What we saw in Gajendra Moksham, Gajendra Studi in Srimad Bhagavata Mahapurana is a little different. Alvars and Acharya's Anubhavam is different. Alvar say Narayana. Gajendra, and even one word says Narayana there. Adi Bijam only. But Alvar says that's a Paryaya Padam, equal. So that is why he has used it. Narayana, O Manivanna, Varai, Yen Aridarai Nikai. Why Gajendra cried and get up? Peranai Poigevai, Kotpatanendra, Alari, Ira, Kamalam, Kundu, Nidangayar. So, Tirumada says, Tirumangai Alvar, Gajendran, Nidangayala, Yanaki Edukai. Elephant does not have. It took the trunk and plucked the flower. That flower is the one he want to give to the Bhagavan. Andre alarm there, just blossom the lotus flower. And it gives to the Bhagavan, please come and take this before it fades. 500 years it was asking all his family and friends. 500 years it was trying by itself. None of them has happened. Bhagavan, come and take care of me. My aridarai nikka, take care of my problem. It did not say, I have the blood and pus and everything oozing. No. This flower, it will fade. Please come and accept. That is what it is asking. So, Gajendran holding the just blossomed lotus flower in its strength and screamed, yelled so loudly. Why? These flowers should go into the Bhagavan's lotus feet before it starts fading. That is the heart, Alvars and I have said. So, Bhagavan, what he did? Begundu, he got so angry. Thiradashitrattal, his wrath, his anger is unlimited. Irendu Kuraga, he put the chakram on from the right side, and it cut the Mudalai, crocodile, into two pieces. So when you are asking at the bhayam is not the life. Gajendran understood after 1,000 years, because this body is not mine, this Atma is not mine, only the Kaingaryam is the one that is permanent. That is what he was asking for. So that is why we do the dhyanam of the Gajendra Moksham first thing in the morning. When you wake up, what you do is you look at your hand, because Mahalakshmi is in that one. You look at the floor and ask the, please forgive me putting my feet to the Bhuma Devi, and think of the Gajendra Moksham. Pradasmarami bhavavidi mahati shanti Narayanam Garudavaharam Anjanabham Grahai Vibhuda Madavarana Mukti Hedum Shakrayudam Tarunavari Jabatra Netram Pradar Namami Manasa Vachasa Chamudna Padharavinda Yugalam Paramasya Pumsaha Narayanasya Narakarnavataranasya Parayana Pravana Vibrama Parayanasya Pradar Bajami Bajadam Abhayankaram Tam Praksar Vajanma Kudapapa Bhayanumuttai Yograga Bhaktra Padidangri Gajendra Gore Shoga Pranasana Karo Tudashanga Chakra. Amazing Slogat Dvayam, Slogat Trayam. So these are the things our acharyas have told you should be reciting when you get up in the morning. If you cannot do that one, at least you say Hari Hari, Hari Hari, Hari Hari, Hari 7 times. That Hari Namam you have to tell. Why you are telling? When you wake up at the morning, your mind is a Sattva Guna. And you never worry about confusion, problem, sadness, anger. Nothing has caught up with you. Before that, you pray to the Bhagavan, like the Abhigamana Aradhanam we do, we are asking the Bhagavan, please make sure today is good. That is why you do the Hari Namam in the morning. Sahasranamam, next one. Anantarubo Anandarsir Jidamanyur Baya Bagaha, 100 to sloga. Baya Abagaha is one who removes the Bhayam. Nambanai Narasinganai Nambane Namindetavallargal Nadane Narasingamadhanai Umburgonalagelu Malandai Uriayinai Alimunnendi Kambamagari Kolbedutane Karana Kadalai Kadendane Embiran Ennayaludaigere Yezhai En Idarai Kalayaye. Amazing. Nambane, there is no word called Namban. Kambane, Abdina Kavichakrati Kamban Swalala. Namban the word. Why is he inventing this Namban Abdina? He is one Nambattagundavan. He is the only one who can trust. The first word is Nambane. Namindreta Vallagal. All the people who want to praise you only to the person who you can trust. Nadane, our boss, Swami, Narasinga Madanai, next one Narasingam, Gajendra Moksham, Prakladana Kwanda Narasinga Perumal. So he says, Umbargo, Nolagelu Malanda, Yuliainai, Arimunyendi, Kambama Karikol Bidutane, Kambam Abdina, Nadukam. And I'll also use as Kambam, Tripavela, okay? Kari Abdina Gajendran, Yani. Cold Vidutane, cold Abdina, Tarainatam, on the land, cold na, a jail also cold. So this is jailed. Jailed by what? By the crocodile holding its leg. Viduttane, he removed that one. Next one, Periyar says, we have to tell it correctly. Karana. Yes, we use the word correctly. Karana means bijam. Adi bijam. Karanam tudeyaga. Periyar Kalpasutra Vyakhyada. He knows exactly what it is. Paradattva Nirnayam. He has to put the correct word. Karana. Kadalai Kadaindaye Tirupar Kadal. Why? Mahalakshmi. That is the one he said. Very beautifully he says over there. If you look at the Gajendra Moksham, why you trust him? Because in the Gajendra Moksham, he keeps on saying, who is the final God? Moolam, Adi Moolam. Moolam is a word, Bijam. Bijam, Adi Bijam. So everybody, Indra, Chandra, Varuna, Abayu, Shiva, everybody give up. I'm not the Adi Bijam. The Adi Bijam, Narayana was saying, oh, it is coming to me. Nobody's taking. So Bhagavan comes over there. So very nicely he's sitting until then, nobody takes. So that's what, same thing like Lord Rama was doing when Vibhishana Sharanagati. He did this Sharanagati to me. I have to speak a little thing. So that is how he comes over there. So Gajendra Moksham, you have to think. Next one is the Sahasranama. Bhaktiman yada sattvaya suchis tatkadamanasaha Sahasram Vasudevasya namnam yedat pragitayet. It starts there. Okay. And then Nabayam Kujidapnodi Diryam Tejasya Vindadi. Nabayam, no bayam for you. Kujidapnodi, even an iota. Viryam, you get all the kind of strength and power and energy. Tejas, all this glow you're going to get. How are you going to get it now? Bhaktiman, you have to do the bhakti. Sahasram Vasudevasya. 1,000 namas in Sahasranamam says, it goes only to one person, Lord Krishna, Vasudevan. So, Edat Pragirtayet, Kirtayet, Pragirtayet. Bhakti, Prabhatti, Rasulullah Pragirtayet. So, you do the Kirtanam of that one. So, that is what it says. If you say Sahasranamam, all your bhayam will be gone. Next, Rogarto Muchade Rogat, Pato Mucheda Bandhanat, Bhayan Mucheda Vidastu, Muched Abanna Abada. It says, all the rogam, all the diseases will be cured. What is the highest disease we have? Samsaram. Birth, death cycle. He removes that. Bhayan Muchade Vidaha. So he is going to all the devotees are there. Get rid of all your greatest fears. Repeated births and deaths and everything. Fear of the samsara. Everything. Continuing on that one. Next one in the Sahasranamam. Na Vasudeva Bhaktanam Ashubham Vidire Kuchite Janma Mrittur Jara Vyadi Bhayam Naivo Bhajayade. No inauspicious things will come close to you. Everything is Mangalam. Mangalam Shubham. Okay. Kalyanam Mangalam Shubham Paryayapadam. Okay. So, when you pray to Vasudeva, the person, he will conquer all the bhayam. If you do with the bhakti, Ayram Namas, Janma Mrityuhu, the cycle of birth and death, Jara, old age, Vyadi, all the diseases, bhayam, never afraid, be afraid of that. What does it mean? You're going to go to the moksha. There, everything is Satsatya Gunam. There is no clock. And you get the tejas, the jnanam, and the anandam, just like the Brahman. Okay. So, influenced by the past karmas only we take birth. Influenced by the past karmas only our bhayam comes. But many times Bhagavan gives the bhayam in a way to correct to go into the right way. If it does not give the bhayam, then we will be going only in the adharma way. So we should be thankful like Kunti. At some time, Bhagavan, you gave me the bhayam, you corrected me in the properly. So don't be afraid of the bhayam. I'm not saying that you should go and ask for that, but there is a meaning why Bhagavan gives the bhayam. Okay, we have to understand that. Sahasranamam, next one. Evam sarvatra machitram namadhvadasa panjaram pravishtovam nane kinjid bhayam asti katachanaha. Evam sarvatra, thus everywhere, always, all pervading, omnipresent. Achitram, achitram, unbroken, flawless, free from defect. Nama, which is the one is spread everywhere and it is never be flaw, is the one. Nama Dwadasa Panjaram. Bhagavan Dwadasa Namam. Okay. Keshava, Narayana, Madhava, Govinda, Vishnu. We say the 12 namas when we say Panjaram. That makes a beautiful kind of a nice cage. It's going to make. Pravishta Bhayam Masti Kadachana. Because of that one, I have entered into a cage. Okay, what is that cage now? These 12 namas, when I recite, they make a cage. What is the cage they are making? Just like the Agastya Munivar cannot do anything when he has the Ekadashi Vradam for him there. So, just like that one, when you are doing the nama, even the rishis, even the tapasvi, even they have the power, they cannot do anything to you. That the protective wall, like the kavacham, that's what they say. Just like that one it is doing. So Adiyan has overcome all of them, invincible, impenetrable, very safe. 12 names of the Lord Mahavishnu. Okay. That is what, when we do the Urdhvapundram, the Pannendu Thirumangal, when you put it, Adhe Maridan. When you do Sandhya Vandanam, when we tell that one. Even Nammalvar, yes, so correctly did 11 Pasurams, 10 Parigam, 10 Pattu, everything you wrote. Then, there's a Kesava Narayana, there's a 12 of them are there. I cannot put at 11, so he added 2 more Pasurams there. Even Nammalvar, Tamil Divya Prabandham there, you had to use all the 12 Tirunamams over there. Very nicely it says that. And then, Sahasrama again. Bhayam nasti gadachana om namayidi gadachana. Every time, at all the time. Om abadam abhartaram dadaram sarvasampadam lokabhiramam sriramam bhuyo bhuyo namam yaham. Krishna muttuma solla mudiyum. At the end, we have to add Rama over here. Bhayam nasti gadachana. Rama, you are the one said abhayam. So it says, Artanam Artihandaram Bhidanam Bhidinashanam Dushadam Kaladandam Tam Ramachandram Namam Yaham. So, Achyudananda Govinda Namo Charana Beshajat Nashyandi Sagala Roga Satyam Satyam Vadam Yaham. The problem is fear and disease and anxiety. The solution is Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. That is what so many places it says Bhayam, Bhagavan will remove that one. So when you look at that one, the next one we go on to the 4th subtopic, what our acharyas and say and what we should do and what we could do if you really ask that one. Swami Alavandar says in the Stotraratnam, Digashishim Abhinidam Niddayam Mamalajjam Paramapurusha Yogam Yogi Varya Gaganyai Vidishiva Shanagate Jadumatyanda Duram Tava Parijana Bhavam Kamaye Kamavrittaha. My life, Kamam and more Kamam. All of them are in the worldly things. Alpa, Astira, Phalan. That is what I am doing. But Bhagavan had a few moments I think about you. When I think that one, I don't have no bhayam, nirbhayam, mama lajjam. There is no lajjai for me. There is no bhayam for me. And what I want, all those Parama Purushan, I am praying to you, all the Yogi Vadyaga Ganyai, all the yogis, what is that? Vidi Shiva Shanagatyai, Brahma, Shiva and Shanagadigal, what they pray, what they want to get. Same thing I'm asking with a simple prayer. Even though I am doing kamam, more kamam and more kamam. Very beautiful slogan in that one. Here we have to take in the Ramayanam, they take it in a way, kamam is bad. But at the same time, kamam is good also. Okay? Kannanike amad kamam Ramanujanutrandari. So we say dharma, artha, kama, moksham, all of them only for kamam. What is that? Krishna kamam. Krishna Krishna tattvam. Krishna miracle. Mokshatalupay, if you are going to be crying, who will go to moksha? The reason why Anandam Brahmano Vidwan na pivedi kudashyanedi. Brahman is equal to Anandam. That is the reason why we are going. If Brahman is crying, you will not go. So that is why we want the Kamam, Asai, with that Brahman. So there is a slogam in the Ramayana comes, and that says, this is quoted by Acharya, not a Valmiki Ramayana sloka. Artha aduranam na sugurda na bandhuhu, kama aduranam na bhayam na lajja, kshuda aduranam na ruchir na bhakvam, vidya aduranam na sugam na nidra. That's a Nidhi Sastra. What does it say? Artha aduranam, anybody who is interested in money, obsessed with money, na sugurda na bandhuhu. It does not have any friend, it does not have any relative. Everybody will move away from him. Kama aduranam, the one who has got so much of kamam, desire, lust, doesn't matter whether they are chitrindbam or perindbam. Na bayam, na lajja. He does not have no fear, no shame. Kshuda aduranam, na ruchir, na bhakvam. The guy who is so hungry, he does not care about the taste or whether it is cooked. Because he is hungry. Okay. Adhe mari, vidya aduranam, if you want to get the vidya, you want to learn, you want to become a scholar, na sugam, na nidra. Adam brahmachari visolache. So Gurukula Vasatle, he will not have any sugam. Brahmachari should not have any of the sugam. He should be lying on the floor, no sandanam, no vetalapaka. Why you say all of them? Because those are all impediments for learning. Na nidra, tukamungade. So kama aduranam na bayam na lajja. So that is what we are saying here. The kamam what we are having on the Bhagavan. Our desire, our bhakti is extreme. Don't be afraid of anybody. Don't feel shame. Don't feel bhayam. Sridhar Swami can do a lot of them in the Balaji temple. Sambat Swami can do a lot of them. But when you go there, you say the Brahman, Govinda, Govinda, you shout. Why? You feel that one. It's nothing to do with anybody. No lajjai, no bhayam. Show that. That is what Nadamunigal showed. If you don't show your expression with the talam and the bhavam, it is useless. So with Bhagavan, what do you do? Na bhayam, na lajja. Endadathla bhayam varnana, when you are breaking the shastras. When you should not have the bhayam of the geta, when you are praying to the Bhagavan, never be afraid when you are praying to Bhagavan. If somebody finds a fault, let them find it. If somebody says that is wrong, let them tell it. You can correct it and you can go. Okay? They cannot find the fault on your bhakti. They can find the fault on your procedure. Okay? So that is what very beautifully says Alavandar Swami. Amazing. When you look at this Stotraratnam, and Alavandar Swami himself is saying, Digashushi Mamini idam nirbhayam mama lajjam. Lajja illamana kekarane. Alavandar Swami, amazing Acharya, all the Panja Acharyas for Ramanuja, they learned from him. Incredible Acharya Alavandar Swami is saying. Okay. Now, because the time, now we go over here to Swami Deshiyan. Swami Deshiyan very beautifully, very eloquently blessed this one in Abhiristava. Many people are reciting nowadays because of all the virus and everything. Our acharyas and all the learned scholars, they say, why don't you recite this one? It is good. Abhidiriga yajjusham yat avadhiridhanam bhayam bhaya abhaya vidayino jagadi yannideshastidhaha. Start. Arambami Abhidi. Uru pustada edutha, if you take a book, the first chapter should tell everything. First paragraph should tell everything. First line should tell everything. First word should tell everything. First syllable should tell everything. The first syllable is what? Agarharto Vishnuhu Brahmam. That is what it says. Agila Bhavana Janmastema Bangadilile Andarjodikyamabiminam. Okay. And immediately, why we are praying to him? Bidi. And Abhidi. Very, very beautiful. Swami Deshiyan, if you look at that one. And fourth slogan. Mahat kimapi vajram udyadam iva iri yachruyade. Already taken from the Kadopanishad Vakyam, you put it over here. Bhagavan will carry like a Vajrayudam. Let me see who is breaking the law. And do you want to break that one? You are afraid of ordinary people here. You are afraid of the celestials, devas, and you shouldn't be afraid of this one. Look at Bhagavan, he is God all powerful. That is where you should be afraid of. So, Mahat kimebi vajram udyadam eva iri yachruyade. That is what Desian says. Seventh sloka. Beautiful. Rama ida rangabu ramana Krishna Vishnu Hare. Trivikrama Janadana Triyuganada Narayana Idiva Shubhadani Yappadadina Madheyanite Natasya Yamavashyada Narakapade Bhidi Kudaha. We are always afraid. Even though you are having a boarding pass, still you are afraid. Why? Because I want to make sure you go 10 times to the agent and asking, is this correct? I told you it is right. Go and sit down there. When the plane leaves, they will call you. That is what we are afraid. Why? Because this is the one time that you made the Sharanagati that takes you away from all this birth and death. You don't want to spoil that. You don't want to make a compromise for that. Don't go into the Alpasera kind of thing. Don't get mad on somebody. Don't get hold on to something. When I say love, danger, inability, nothing has to be loved other than Bhagavan's lotus feet. So that is what Desya brings over here. All the beautiful words. Ramayida Daidaha Mahalakshmi's Priyan. Just say Kantaste Purushottamaha. Same thing is using here, Ranganada. Rangabhu Ramana. So he is the one who relishes in Srirangam. He says, Bhuloga Vaikuntham. Krishna, that is the one Saulabhyam. Hare, the one who removes for Gajendran all the problem. Trivikrama, who measured all the words and everything. Janardhana, puts an end for all the cycles of birth and death. Look at all these words. Triyuganatha, all the six gunam, Jnana, Bala, Aishwarya, Veera, Sakti, Tejas you are having. Narayana, Kudal Tuvak, the connection. Naram, Ayanam, we do all them. Om, Namo, Narayanaya, Attakshara Mandaram, Narayana, Padam is the Phalam, Anandam. Okay. Idiva Namadiyani, Padani. Just says like that one, somebody, he will not have Yama Bhayam. Don't worry about that. Not only Yama Bhayam, you will not have a Vyadi Bhayam. You will not have any other Bhayam. So don't worry about all of them. If at all you have to suffer before the boarding pass you keep, the plane is not called, and you are really hungry, you are suffering something like that. Abhyuhaya Prarabdha Karma. The Prarabdha Karma, we already accepted that we will endure in this Janma. What you have to do, again pray to him, same thing, to the Bhagavan's lotus feet. Swami, you told a lot of these things, Sahasranamam, who's got time for all of them? Deshika Sloka, it's all Sanskrit. I cannot do all these things. Can you tell a simple thing? No. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Mahamantram. Only Ram and Krishna, both of them told very nicely Charama Slokam. Abhayam Sarvadharman Parityacha Mam Yegam Sharanam Vraja. Krishna, I don't remember all the names. I am not knowledgeable and my mouth is not coming with that one. All I am saying Rama, Krishna. That's all you have to say, that one. So when you say at least the name Rama, Mara, like Valmiki Bhagavan said that one, Rama, let's say that also you cannot do. Even that Hare Rama, that's the 4 lines I cannot say that one. The easiest one you can do, hold your hands, Anjali Mudra, think of your Acharya. Think of your Acharya, say your Acharya Taniyan. If you cannot say Acharya Taniyan, say, I am prostrating to your lotus feet. I am doing the Namaskaram. I am doing the Sharanagati. Please, you saved me. And please save me from all the problems. That's all. You don't need a slogan. Mukkur Azhiya Singer says, Prabhati, hey, yarra sonna. You don't have to use Dvaya Mantram. You have to use this. We are using Dvayamantram, we are using Shanagadi Gadyam, na? Bhagavan understands only that. Yo, I don't have no other refuge. I am holding your lotus feet, I am crying, I am yelling, I am shouting. Bhagavan does not understand that one. Of course he will understand. All the slogans are there mainly for a consistent view a group can say, or you can continuously say a repetitive pattern. That is why the slogas are invented. Okay, but slogas are not the only one. You can say any which way, Krishna, come and take this food I have kept for you. Same thing, Krishna, I got this problem. Please resolve that one. Any which way you can tell, but always go through your Acharya. Bhayam, justify that one. Most of the Bhayam what we have, it is not really affecting your Atma. It is affecting the body. And the body, you come from the dust, you go back to the dust. Understand anything related to the body, your own shariram, and you married the spouse and the children, the car, the house, the wealth, and all this jalebi and puliyodare, what you eat, all of them are achetana vastu. And the Atma belongs to him. You don't have anything. That is why you got the boarding pass to leave this place. So most of the time, our bhayam is not justified. But you should be afraid, am I doing correctly? Am I breaking the rule? Am I making somebody angry? Am I doing this Bhagavad Apacharam? I'm doing a Bhagavad Apacharam. Ask that one. You should be afraid of that. Other than that, all other bhayams are useless. So that kind of a confidence you will get only when you do prabhati, you get the boarding pass, and Acharya Tanin you say, and then says, I'm not worried about anything because that Manda Vishwasam moved to the Maha Vishwasam. Your fear, some of them justified. Your fear, some of them are rectified. Your fear, some of them doing good for you to create more faith to you. So we'll stop at this point. Kavidharkega Simmaya, Kalyana Gunashaline, Simade Venkadesaya, Vedanta Gurave Namaha, Sivade Nigamanta Maha, Deshigaya Namaha.
Adiyan, this session is no longer being 15 minutes பண்ண முடியுமா ஏதாவது just ஜெனரலா சொல்ல இன்னும் அழகா ராயின் இருக்கு இன்னும் 15 minutes.
Very good. Why don't we open the line if people have any questions?
அது எல்லாரும் இது பண்ணா என்ன ஆயிடும்னா உங்களுக்கு இதாயிடும்.
Okay. So the 15 minutes we have an extra time. Very good. We have to use it usefully. Okay. So continuing on this one. So this is the epilogue. At the end, we are adding as the appendix to that one. We left off and saying many of the bhayam what we have is not justified. Why do you say like that one? When we look at it, when we get a headache, I feel there is a headache there. I want to do the nivarti for that one. I feel my son is suffering. I see my daughter is suffering. I see that my house is having that whatever the thunder and lightning, it is breaking down and everything. You are asking that one. But many times, our body and the soul are connected through so many janmas. Separating that one is not that easy. Sharira, Atma, Brahmam. That is the first one. Hey, all the Sariram related things is different from your Atma. Krishna says in the 13th chapter, and that one it says, Kshetra, Kshetragya, Jnanam. Sharira, Shariri. So Atma never dies. Only the body takes several births. And whatever the body connected, we assume that is related to us. So we are saying, my spouse has got a problem. My wife has got a problem. Abdina, ask yourself, how many wives you had? Well, not literally you should not take, not in this janma. But what I'm saying is how many janmas you have come across. How many parents you had. How many acharyas you had. How many different kinds of varnam you've been born. How many different kinds of living things you have been there. You might have been a Kamsan in last janma or a bacteria in that one. So, out of all these Janmas, Bhagavan has given a very nice Janma right now, Manusham. So, in the Prahlada Sogam, when we say, he says Manusham, when you say that one, that is a rare Janma. Krishna says in Uddhava Gita also, because the discriminative knowledge what we have, other animals don't have. So Bhagavan, that's how he likes. This is correct, this is wrong. This is dharmam, this is adharmam. So that discriminative knowledge in the sadhana sadhushtayam is a first step. So when you are looking at that one, body is having a pain, how long the body can have a pain? See, lot of them, the mind capacity. Atmanam radinam viddhi sariram radhamevadu Kadopaniषadla solacha, Atma is here, then buddhi, then manasi, then indriyam. So the manasi wants to go easily, but the buddhi has to say, don't worry about that, you can control. You have to have a nalla buddhi. How do you get that one? Look, you are having a headache. There are people, when you go into Dalai Lama's disciples, they are all in the Himalaya mountains. They are sitting down with just one rope. No shirt, nothing. No cover, no gloves. Whole night is sitting there on the ice with the snow is falling and he is doing the prayer. And then he is coming, okay, I had taken enough rest and everything, invigorated, let's go and do the prayers. How can they do that one? Okay, so that is what. So your capacity is far more. That is what Bhagavan says. How it comes basically? Abhyasam. Krishna loves that word, Abhyasam. The Sarira Atma Brahmam, always you connected to the Sariram. Thirukudani Andavan very beautifully says that. And how many Janmas we come with this kind of body? We started reading Sri Bhashyam only last month. Do you think that we're going to get the Vivekam immediately? Everybody. That is why we said love, danger, and incapacity. When we say that one, the love and danger, the love is basically the things you are associated with. If there is a problem, your neighbor's car, do you worry? No, you don't worry about that one. It's only your car. Same way. You wash your car and everything nicely. Somebody taps on your shoulder and says, sir, this is not your car. That is what it is. So we try to take care of our body so much. We try to look at our, I'm not saying as a Grahastha, you have to do the Grahastha Dharma. Beyond that. When somebody does a mistake, you have to really condone. You have to say what you did is wrong. But you cannot bring the old bags, getting mad on them. Oh, on that day you did. Oh, this is none of those things. So, Andal Solra Mari, enemyism, that's all. There's nobody's enemy. So that is only thing we have to remove. So coming back here, the first one we have to remove, Sharira Atma Brahmam. That is going to be a very tough one. More and more and more practice. So if you are getting headache, start practicing, not taking Tylenol. So a couple of times you do. If you are hungry, try to practice that in Ekadashi, that's okay. So these are the things, if you try that one, an abhyasa. For some people you can do, I'm not saying for all of them, for children, people who are diseased, people who are aged, we don't want to compromise and cause problem for others also. So that is one of them. The Sariratma Brahmam is the first one it's going to be. That is why we didn't go in the Bhakti Yoga. Karma, Jnana, Bhakti, those are all prerequisite and co-requisite. So we went into the Prabhati. Sagar eva prabhannaya uru dadav sona poro. Oh, adhe mari idhula sollacha sarvaranman parityacha mamegam sharanam braja agam tva sarva pavebhyo sthide manasi susvaste sarire saryunaraha dhadu samye siddha smardha viswaro nyamamajam tadastam riyamanam tu katavashana sannibam aham smarami mad bhaktam Ami Paramam Gadim. Only thing we didn't say about the Varaha Avataram. Varaha Avataram, very beautifully, Desikan says in the Agasyat Prasaram, Trivikrama Avataram is so great, he measured all this world. He's a pygmy. He's a Kullana, Trivikraman. Why? That he has to put the whole feet on top of that one earth and he has to measure that one. in a small beak in a corner that the word Varaha carried. Another Mahavaraha. Varaha says that. Of all the things, Varaha Avadaram is the largest Avadaram. And Mahavaraha is called Yajnavaraham. Finally, all the mantras, slogas, yaga, and yagya, all those things, habits you give, goes back only to Varaha Perumal. So Bhumi Prati told, and that is what the Bhumi Prati Savadaram under Tiruppavi, we took the shortcut going into the, what is called, Shanagadi Tattva. So, Sharira Atma Brahmam is the first one. Second one, Swadandra Atma Brahmam. Swadandra Atma Brahmam na, once when you practice this one, let's say 10 yaga days, completely you are fasting. Wow, this is not that difficult. I can do that one. So you get a confidence, my buddhi and manase is more powerful than the indriyams. You can put 100 jalebis in front of me. I will not touch them. I have the resolute. I have the what do you call renunciation. I renounce all of them. I have a higher purpose, higher goal. I will not be touching that one. That is the second thing you say that one. That is, my indriyams, what is the external indriyams, bahya indriyams, I can control with the under, inside the manase can control all of them. That is why many times what people say, sir, உங்க மனசு வச்சா எல்லாம் நடக்கும். ஒரு கையெழுத்து போடுங்க சார். Please put one signature. உங்க கையெழுத்து அப்படி. Because hand is not moving, indriyam. That indriyam will move, external indriyam, 5 karma indriyam, 5 jnana indriyam. Jnana indriyam bring everything inside, karma indriyam take everything away. So all of them is helping you, but the manasi has to do. The manasi is toggling, should I do or not? Should I do or not? The buddhi comes back and says, hey, you cannot do that one. Buddhi is almost like a robot. Manasi is almost like very malleable. Will be changing way. Sometimes Manasi is also good. Buddhi is good in most of the time. Sometimes Manasi is also good. For example, when you do Dhanam, Ayo Pavam, udane you give. Immediately you have to give. Don't go to the Buddhi. Buddhi will say, oh, I don't have enough money. Why should I give it to him? That is what it will come. So there are certain places Manasi is also good. But Buddhi is a rational mind. So if the Manasi wants to give that one, the Buddhi thinks, okay, initially I thought that's not there, but now I thought logically, maybe he's suffering more than me. Maybe I should give it to him. So that is the one. So the Buddhi, when it comes there, second, when you are thinking, Swadandra Atma Brahma means my Atma is independent. It is through the Buddhi, it is called as the DBJ, Dharma Buddha Jnanam, I control everything, all my indriyams, I have more power. And then Tiruppavi Arambathala Soleche, Priyavachan Pillai Vyakyanam is say, so Atma Jnanam Kaivan the Rishigalukkum. They found their Atma. We found that one. So they are very happy with that one. All the indriyams are listening. I don't have to eat like Dhruvan. All the rishis. 6 months I don't have to eat. 3 years I don't have to breathe. I can levitate. All those things when you do, you feel so happy in that one. So what it says over here, at that point you think your Atma is not independent. There is somebody above you. When you say Seshatva, Paratandriya, Dasatva, Kainkaryam, when we say, where we break Agara, Ugara, Magaram in the Ashtakshram and the Narayana Padam and Namapadam, there is somebody above me. It is not. I can control all of them. That is what we are doing in the Sri Bhashyam now. The Jiva Swarubam and Paramatma Swarubam. Jivan has got independence. That independence is a very little. Bhagavan gives that independence. You don't have no independence. He has to bless you that independence. So when you got that independence, he wants to see how you do that one. And then he takes control of that. If Bhagavan does all of them, then only Bhagavan has to be punished, not you. Ilaya, Karta and Bhokta. When you see like that one, Karta is the same thing as the Bhokta has to be. So he gives a little independence. That's where very complex thing in the Sri Bhashyam it says, who is the Karta? Karta you will be for a fraction of a second. And then Bhagavan controls everything. So why I'm saying that one here, the Atma, it is always under his control. So supports, controls, owns. He is one holding us. Our Surupa, Sthiti, Pravritti, all of them Bhagavan has given. If you realize that one through the Ashtaksham, Agaravachya Bhagavanukku, Magaravachanana, Chetanan, Seshan, yet understand the Lupta Chadurthi, Ugaram exclusively. When you understand that one, this Atma is not mine. It belongs to him. Stolen property we had to give. So Sariratma Brahmam is gone, Swadandratma Brahmam is gone. The next one you are basically asking, where should I give that Atma? Who does it belong to? Adi Bijam, that is what we are saying all the time. Karanam, everything is a Karyam. Karanam to Deyaha. When you're asking, you ask Agni, you are taking whatever I am doing in the Yajnam. Where does it go? Do you take them now? No, Agni doesn't take. Even there is one Homa Mandache, one of them for Agni is asking, please, everything I have to go and give one, do it for me. So we do one part of the Homam for Agni. Because just as diplomatically, we want to please Agni. Other than that, all of them goes to Mahavishnu. All of them goes to Varaha Avataram. Varahan, that's what it is. Yajya Varaga Swami, it goes there. So when you understand this one, Sariratma Brahmam, Swadandratma Brahmam, third one, Anyadevada Paratva Buddhi. Don't go into the outhouse outside there, the gatekeeper there. Please, please help me. And I says, look, I'm not the president. I'm just a gatekeeper. Go inside. Similarly, when you are inside the jail is what? Our samsaram, karagraham. When you are inside that one, there you go to the next guy, Brahma. You go to Shiva. There, please save me from this birth and death. And he's laughing and he says, I'm also in the same boat. I cannot do. Only thing, they have given me a cushion to sleep. For you, it is on the floor. That's all it is. Both of us on this. Brahma has to be born. Brahma has to die. Shiva has to be born. Shiva has to die. When you say Shiva has to be born, the Atma is there. Some Shariram takes that one. Today, one person can be a Brahma, and next day, somebody else will be a Brahma. Brahma is a position. Shiva is a position. Narayana, when you say like that one, it is only one person. Another, Om Namo Narayana Aya Namaha. And the Moonu Sudi Napota, it goes to only to that particular person. Narayana, O Manivanna, we saw that. Adi Bijam, we saw that one. So, he is the Paratattvam. So, Sariratma Brahmam, Swadandratma Brahmam, Anyadevada Paratva Buddhi. If you remove all these three, then your mind is clear. Then you do the Sharanagati. When you say faith, Manda Vishwasham, Maha Vishwashamagi. You cannot clear all these things by yourself. You may need million janmas. I want to go to India. I want to make my own plane and go now. You will never make your own plane. There's a plane available. Find out what is the right plane. Get the ticket and go. So for you, your parents have done something. Your acharyas have done something. And Sat Sampradayam, the acharya parambara is there. Follow that one. Go through that. You don't have to do it. When he says the Saram, when Swami Desikan say, which is the Asaram, Alpasaram, Saram, Saradaram, Saradamam. So you have to go into the Saradamam, highest essence. That is what. So that we cannot find in this Janma. People have already found out and follow that path. Follow your Acharya. So if you are going to do, finding a Desikan says, water, if you're digging, you go 10 feet, you dig, oh no water, go that place, dig there, or go that place, you will never find the water. But on the other hand, if you dig over here for about 100 feet in a particular place, you will find that. That is why Sat Sampradayam, Sampradaya Parisuddhi, from your Acharya, all the way Ennuya Kandalithyavare Ishanam book, all the way to Sriman Narayana, unbroken chain. That is what we need. That is why we are listening to them and everything. So if you do that one, that is where your jnanam comes. The jnanam is very simple. I cannot do anything. I need your help. I want to get away from the samsaram. I don't know any path. As simple as that. The prabhati is such a simple one. What it is I am unqualified in all the means. I am the worst candidate. When you say that one, you are the best candidate for prabhati. Bhagavan will do, Acharya will do that one. So that is why he says these are the three Brahmams needed. Again, we'll stop at this point. Thank you. Kavidharkika Simmaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimade Venkadesaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha Srimade Nigamanta Mahadeshigaya Namaha.
அடியேன் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். வந்து விசேஷமா இதுக்கு நீங்க பண்ணது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
அடியேன் பாக்கியம்
வருது அர்ச்சனா இது. அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு பிரசாதம் இதுல சமர்ப்பணம் பண்றோம். இருங்கோ இதுலயே இருக்கலாம், நீங்க
ஜூம்ல
இருக்கலாம்.
Yes, to switch the screen.
நான் switch பண்றேன்.